The Shackleton maritime patrol aircraft was developed by the United Kingdom shortly after the end of World War II. It made its first flight in 1949 and began a service career of about 40 years. Despite being a maritime patrol aircraft, its life was more like that of a versatile handyman. The Lincoln bomber was originally a 4-engine heavy bomber developed by the United Kingdom in the late stages of World War II to replace the Lancaster bomber previously used by the British military. Although it did not see action in World War II, a significant number were produced after the war. The Shackleton maritime patrol aircraft was then modified from the Lincoln bomber to serve as a maritime patrol and anti-submarine aircraft. As a long-range patrol and anti-submarine aircraft, the Shackleton patrol aircraft paid great attention to the comfort of the crew. Fortunately, the huge size of the original bomber provided ample space for modifications. In addition to necessary electronic equipment such as radar, early prototype aircraft also attempted to install in-flight refueling systems. However, this was later canceled during mass production, possibly due to immature technology. The first-generation production model was called the Mk-1, and the Mk-2 was a slightly improved version based on its predecessor. The radar was moved from the nose of the aircraft to the original bomb bay position and replaced with the retractable ASV Mk-13 radar. Other aspects included strengthening the aircraft structure. Compared to the Mk-1, the Mk-2 was more reliable and considered an enhanced version, and it was indeed the most widely used version. The Mk-3 was likely the most advanced version, with a comprehensive increase in size, as well as the adoption of new landing gear, flaps, and other structures. The aircraft's interior was expanded to include a kitchen and rest area, and the propellers were improved to reduce noise, all to ensure the crew's comfort during long-duration flight missions. In terms of weapons, in addition to guided torpedoes for anti-submarine warfare, it also had the capability to carry Mk-101 nuclear bombs for nuclear attacks against fleets or land targets. On the widely used Mk-2 aircraft, the search radar could detect destroyers up to 74 kilometers away, or surface submarines up to 37 kilometers away. It also had a diesel smoke detection device, and its offensive weapons included 9 bombs or 3 torpedoes, which could be replaced with depth charges. The aircraft's dorsal turret also housed 2 20mm machine guns. In addition to being used by the British military, the Shackleton patrol aircraft also served in South Africa. During World War II, South Africa placed a strong emphasis on protecting the maritime safety of the Cape of Good Hope and used the Sunderland aircraft. The purchase of 8 Shackleton aircraft was intended to replace the aging Sunderlands. Since entering service, the Shackleton became an important aerial asset for the British military. In addition to its primary maritime patrol duties, it carried out over 1,000 bombing missions in Oman in the 1950s and conducted maritime surveillance missions in the 1960s. However, it primarily performed search and rescue missions, thanks to its radar and other equipment, and also served as an early warning aircraft. It truly was a versatile handyman. Several of the aircraft in service in South Africa were already very worn out by the 1980s, with aging airframes and a lack of spare parts, leading to their retirement. Meanwhile, some of the British aircraft persisted in service by replacing radar and other equipment. The final aircraft were retired in 1991 and were replaced by the purchased E-3 Sentry early warning aircraft.